you guys? So today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired look. I know this look may look a little bit intimidating or very dramatic or whatever, but it's really simple. It's very easy. It's not really too much technique or anything like that. I try to keep it as simple as possible that anyone can recreate it. I did get inspired by a look Nikki Tutorials did. She was reviewing a jelly highlighter and I saw her eyelids and her eyelids was so pretty. I was like, wow, I need to recreate that. And so I did. If you like what you see, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I already started with my other eye. I have this one finished. We're gonna be going in. We're gonna start off by using this pink shade right here from the Morphe 35B palette. And we're just going to be taking this shade and I'm going to be applying that color right on the crease. We're not going to be bringing any color right in the inner corner yet. And then we're going to be moving it upwards slowly. Then after that shade, we're going to be applying... I love this palette because I use all the colors in this to make like colorful looks. Like if I need my pinks, my purples, my blues, my yellow, like I always go back to this palette, and it's a really cheap palette to have and you can create any look with it. So I'm going to be going in with these two. This is like a purple and magenta and a hot pink. I'm going to be mixing these two together. We're going to be making the eyes like this, so try to bring up the color a little bit more to your brow bone rather than out, so more up. I'm going to go back with this brush that has the pink and I'm just going to blend it all in. Now that that's all blending in, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, this shade right here. Packing it in and moving it up, just swiping it up like that. But I'm just going in an angle like that. Okay, so we're going to be putting on the glitter just to give your eyes a little bit more pizzazz. And for the adhesives I'm using today, it's going to be the NYX glitter adhesive. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It looks like this. Okay, now I just popped on some lashes and I applied my foundation. Now we're going to be finishing the lower lash line and applying concealer. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to be using the same Jaclyn Hill palette in the same shade that we use here. I'm going to be taking a pencil brush to just smudge out the lower lash line. Okay, in the lower lash line, we're just going to be connecting here. I know I look really crazy right now. We're going to be applying concealer. We're going to be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And we're going to be applying this to clean out the bottom. And we're going to be sharpening it up the edge right here. Taking this brush right here, it's like a fluffy brush. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to be using this one to blend out the concealer on small parts of the eye just to sharpen it up a bit. I feel like this one is better to blend out the concealer closer to the eye because it's not a big brush. And to blend out the concealer right here, we're going to be using this brush right here. It's the E46 brush. And I don't like to brush or swipe, I just like to dab it so the concealer won't pick up any foundation under it. Now while my face is now baking, I will be taking the Anastasia contour kit and I'll be taking the shade Fawn right in the center, which is this one right here. And I'll be using this shade to contour my cheek. And now to bronze my face, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. And I'll be taking the Morphe M142 brush to bronze my face. clean out my contour, I'm going to be using a damp sponge with powder on it. And I'm just going to be aligning the contour line right here. Okay, now I'm going to dust everything away with the same brush. Okay, now I'll be applying mascara on my bottom lashes. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Sleek palette and the Morphe M501 brush. This one's perfect to apply the highlighter. Okay, so for your highlight to pop, I'm going to be applying the Mario Badescu spray on my brush and Mummy. I forgot to. And going in with this shade right here. Now lastly, but definitely not least, I'll be applying my favorite liquid lipstick by Anastasia, and it's in the shade Veronica. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!